Netherlands, we're in Amsterdam. I'm here with Alyssa, Armando, Zach, Jamie, and Connor. And if you didn't know that, then that means you haven't been watching my vlogs. And in which case, I have a playlist linked in the description below of my whole Europe series. We're at the Van Gogh Museum right now. Super hyped.
Pretty excited.
Pretty excited. And yeah, we are at the Van Gogh Museum. Really excited to see, like, you know, Starry Night, the yellow sunflowers, all that jazz. Tickets are 19 euros, a little expensive, but I feel like this is worth it for me because I'm really excited to see Van Gogh stuff. I don't think I can film in there, but I'll just let you know how she goes. Right, yeah, we could not film inside, but that was a really awesome museum experience. You learned a lot about like his life, like leading up to before he became an artist, and while he was an artist, and then how his life ended. And I really like that. I think it was worth it, even though it was a little pricier on the museum spectrum. Now we are walking over, I think it's really close, we're going to the Heineken Brewery. We're all of age, so we want to go see how, you know, Heineken beer is made. Do a cool pose, Zach.
Guys, come to the Heineken factory. Pretty good time.
Why was it a good time?
Lots of free tokens on the ground up for grabs. Good area. People are pretty giving.
Be nice to people, get your tokens, and get your drink.
We're now going to an ice bar tonight. The guys really want to do this and they're really excited for it. You basically go there and then they give you a jacket and mittens and yeah. What is up? It is day day two. We're gonna show you our little farmhouse Airbnb. Yeah, it's really dirty. I really should start doing these on the first day because let's go outside so you can really get a feel of where we are right now. So we are legitimately on a farm. And when you read the Airbnb, it basically just says that we're near a farm, but like, we're legitimately on a farm. Like, you can smell manure. Then you walk in, we have like, this is so messy. So if you walk in here, it's so messy, but we have like a fridge, microwave, all that stuff. There's a room in here, and then we have like a bathroom. This is like a little couch that can turn into a bed, and then we have like a little table area over here, and then Alyssa and I are staying in bunk beds right now, but Alyssa didn't want to sleep on the top bunk because we saw too many spiders, so. I think we're working our Airbnb up to be like a little worse than this. It is really close to the city. It's like a 15-minute Uber into the city, and the Uber isn't crazy expensive. We're at the Anne Frank house now waiting to go in. Basically, they sell out about 2 months in advance 80% of the tickets for the Anne Frank house. And it's obviously a big thing that a lot of people want to do when they're in Amsterdam. So we are silly again and did not pre-book our tickets, but they sell out 20% of the tickets for that day at 9 a.m. that day. So there is still a way that you can get tickets, and Alyssa and I this morning, that is what we did. We get it?
Yep.
Connor, we got the Anne Frank tickets. Hello. We got the Anne Frank tickets.
Nice, that's awesome.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
Alright, so we just took a ferry across the water. The ferry is free, by the way. It's like a blue ferry that you can get on to get to the big tower. I think the tower is called like the dam or something like that. It's like the main Amsterdam Tower. There's actually swings at the top of the tower, so you can go swinging off like the edge of the tower. Connor is extra excited about this because he's not scared of heights. Connor was literally holding on for dear life when we were on the Eiffel Tower. So I'm not sure how this is gonna end for him, guys. Stay tuned.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Alyssa, you're gonna have fun.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
You are.
Like crying.
Connor, how you doing, buddy?
All the time I want.
Are you scared at all?
Through the wastelands, through
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't.
till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Connor's so scared. I'm not even scared of heights.
Yeah, it moves kind of fast. It moves a lot faster than you think it looks. Pretty sweet.
You closed your eyes.
That was fun. It was weird.
It was cool, but like I wanted to die.
it is the end of the day, our last day in Europe. That is it for my Amsterdam video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you watched my whole Europe series, thank you so much. If you haven't, make sure you click the link in the description below and you can watch the rest of my Europe videos. Oh, it just got really dark. If you have been watching all my Europe series, comment down below which country was your favorite. I feel like I learned so much with my time in Europe, so much about traveling, so much about like making friends, communicating with people, being respectful of different communities. And hopefully when I go home, I'm gonna learn a lot about editing and get better at my editing style and just kind of grow as a vlogger, grow as someone who documents their travels. Also, make sure that you follow me on Instagram if you want to see all my travel photos from my Europe trip and just like me and my life and what I do with life. And that's it, Alyssa. Finish it out. What should I say? Bye. Thanks so much.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And